Hello everyone, welcome to St. Andrew's School. Students, due to COVID-19 lockdown, we are conducting online classes for the next session 2020-21. Now, I want to teach you class 5th English. We have the textbook Good Luck Sunshine, semester 1. Now, let's go into the topic. Here we have the poem or unit 1, the march of the animals. See children, we can see children, we have many things around our surroundings. Some are living things and some are non-living things. Non-living things are some, you know, that chair, table, pen, pencil, dolls. These all are non-living things which don't have life. But here living things are animals, human beings, and some plants and trees. Here the first poem we are going to do is the march of the animals. You can see here the first picture or the picture on the in the book, that is the animals going in a line, or it is called as a march, holding slogans in their hands and moving in the march. So the poem is the march of the animals. Children, let's start our first stanza. They gathered around the lion. One day they all had lots and lots to say. These humans come to hunt and prey, cut down our trees and pull them away. You can see they gathered around the lion. They means what here? You can see all the animals coming together to meet the lion. Lion is what here, children? Lion is nothing but the lion is the king of the jungles. They all came to say something with the lion. They are telling that the humans are hunting them and feeding themselves and cutting the trees and also taking them away. Pull them away means nothing but they are taking the trees and wood with them. Ahem, roared their king, what shall we do? They do not seem to have a clue. If they don't watch out, the day they will do that, they decided to rob us too. See here, children, stanza 2. Ahem. Ahem means nothing but the lion has a sound, that the sound making in a embarrassment or a disappointment. It is telling that what shall we do? It has a doubt. What should we do now? They do not seem to have a clue, means they don't have any clue. They have nothing idea about what to do. If they don't watch out, the day they'll do, means they are telling that if they don't have any solution, then they have to go away. They decided to rob us too. They are thinking that they have to, they are if we don't have any solution, then the humans will start taking us also. Then see, you can see the stanza 3. The doe, with all her gentleness, said, I am alarmed, I do confess. The hunters chase us, their dogs no less. It really all seems so senseless. Here, children, doe is nothing but the female deer. Female deer is very gentle, means it has a good manner, and it is talking, it is alarmed. Alarmed is nothing but, you can see the meaning, alarmed is nothing but frightened. And what is confess? Confess is nothing but the admit something, means here the doe is frightened, it has a fear and also has a some idea. It is telling that hunters chase us, their dogs no less, means hunters are chasing us like a dogs which chase us. It really all seems so senseless. It is very senseless to us. When coming to stanza 5, you can see 4. Do they not realize, spoke up the hare, that this destruction that they dare to cause without a thought or care will take from them was there to share. Here the hare is the rabbit. Okay, here the hare is realizing what they don't realize, why they are not having to realize, why they are not thinking. See, they are all disturbing the forest. Like that, the hair is talking. To cause without a thought or care, will take from them what's there to share. If they do all this destruction or totally spoil the forest, then there is nothing to share the things. So, children, l- go through this five stanzas of the poem The March of the Animals and find out what are the animals involved in these five stanzas, and read out the next five stanzas for the next session, and we will continue the class.